we're going to balance, Gabe. You're getting it. Okay, time for everybody. Let's all start heading in. It's that time. Is he going to Adams on Saturday or Friday?
Friday. Just because we have the Brewer game on Sunday.
Is he going right after school?
I don't know.
Maybe he can come on and get a shower tomorrow night before he goes.
Okay.
Watch it. Okay.
Do it again, Gabe.
Beep, beep.
You did it! He did it! He did it! Pat, look it! Pat, look it! That was awesome! Maybe you just always have to start off like that, Gabe. The little brum brum, beep beep.
That, it's like you're in a car. Focus.
That's right. Gabe-oda.
Doda. Oh, I didn't do it.
Patty.
What? I didn't do it.
I got it on film. Nice try.
I meant to do this.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I'm not kidding either.
Okay, come on, Gabe.
I meant to be cool. Oh, there's a kid in the middle of the road.
Hopefully he's waiting for his man. I think he's bigger than you think. All right, move out of his way. Patty, move out of his way. Pat, watch.
Dude.
Pat.
Melly, really?
Pat. Watch.
Do the rum pee pee thing.
And now, Melly, you know who's next to learn how to ride their bike?
You know who's that?
Yeah. Newborn. The game goes newborn.
Newborn, yeah, that's good.
Oh, that's funny.
I grabbed him before he fell over.
You did. Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Melly.
Oh, good. I forgot what your name was.
Melly.
Oh, okay. Good.
That's
Oh.
my brother Patty, and he is really a dork.
Hey.
Gabe, excellent job on the bike, little buddy.
And this is my cute little baby face.
Oh, I guess my little angel face.
Nice.
Why don't you try riding one more time, Gabe?
Call you a
down the
monkey.
second tree.
Okay, everybody out of his way.
Everybody on the sidelines here.
His bike riding machine.
Sidelines would be not on the sidewalk. Okay, let's see if we can do it all the way without stopping. Down to the second tree.
Beep, beep.
There he goes. Keep going, Gabe.
I know you want.
Here he goes. Now stay on the sidewalk, Gabe.
All the way to the tree. Not into the tree, but at the tree. Oh, you okay, bud? First wipeout, and you weren't even riding it.
Very happy in the grass, Gabe. Right?
Yep.
I flipped backwards on my wheelchair and landed on the hard cold cement on my head. I've had worse.
When did that happen?
School, he's trying to pop wheelies.
Over the hose. And my wheelchair didn't have any back wheels.
Oh, at Beavermore?
No. Here.
Maplewood.
Here.
Here?
Oh, at home, I remember.
Remember?
No? I thought you did that at...
Really loud.
Oh.
Yeah, that's...
Hey, Gabe, y'all done? You gonna get on again?
This kid on the street here, I saw him seriously almost get hit by a car. Like, cars, like this.
Who?
One time I was walking rainy.
Is he invisible?
In the middle of the road,
Oh.
and the car had like slam brakes in it. I thought the kid in the car was
Jeez. Okay. Come on, Gabe. Now watch out.
See, look at him. He's going right in the middle of the street like that. Not even one.
Okay, Gabe, go this way.
Oh, I'm holding him.
Vroom, vroom.
Mom, mom, beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, beep,
There's
beep.
a good crew back there.
Try sucking.
You weren't supposed to run into your mother.
Or the camera.
Or the camera.
Oh, things to do today.
Yeah.
Ride my bike, run into my mother.
That'll end up on funniest videos. Ah!
Yeah, do that.
No.
And
That'll end up on Dorky's mother.
Take me to the mountain.
take me to the mountain. Now, what are you doing? I'm holding you.
Okay.
I
Oh.
feel my castle.
Okay.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh.
I don't think I
Okay. Oh, Mel, don't pull him back.
This looks nice, nice.
Why are you gonna knock? I need my pencil. I think I know.
Sissy, tutti frutti,
Shut up.
chicken butt.
Yeah. I want to Booty, booty, chicken butt. No, Daddy.
No.
No, that's my thing. No safe protector. This
had a
Gabe.
one chance.
It's a girl with many, it's a girl with many emotions.
I'm gonna race it.
Don't touch. No, 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 no. I'm trying to get. Hey, I'll take a pic video of you. I just want to. You're in it.
Alright, it's going to be 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Hey guys. Yeah.
Okay, turn around, Gabe.
Hey Gabe. Come here. Hit the target. No, no, don't put your hand there. Look at. See. You're gonna do it. Yeah.
Come on, Gabe.
Gabe, 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 Gabe. No, 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 Melly. Wheelchair.
Stop it. Yeah,